Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet noticed, Instagram has started implementing a brand new feature on the platform. In fact, there have been quite a few new features added over recent months and weeks, all of which I'm going to talk about in greater detail with you. Today's video, however, is going to be about pinning posts on Instagram, one of the newest features. I'm going to be answering a few of the questions I've been asked about them, including: what is a pinned post on Instagram? How do you pin a post on Instagram? What happens when you pin a post on Instagram? Do you have to pin a post on Instagram? How many pinned posts can you have on Instagram? What can you pin to your Instagram profile? What will the pinned posts look like? How will I know if Instagram posts are pinned posts? What order will Instagram pinned posts show up? And, can you get rid of or change pinned posts on Instagram? In the description below, I've added timestamps so you can jump to whatever questions you are interested in, without having to watch the stuff you're not. So, let's dive right in and answer those Instagram pinned post questions, shall we?
What is a pinned post on Instagram?
If you use Twitter or Facebook, you might already be familiar with pinned posts. You can pin status updates, tweets, or whatever content is on that particular platform, to the top of your profile. It stays there, at the top of your profile, until you remove it or change it for another pinned tweet, status update, or, now, Instagram post.
How do you pin a post on Instagram?
It's super simple to pin a post on Instagram to the top of your profile. First of all, look for the post you want to pin. Select it, then hit the three-dot menu. You will want to look for an option that says, Pin to Profile. When you hit that, the screen will update and let you know that Instagram is doing what you asked, and then you will get a confirmation message. That's it. That's all you need to do to pin a post on Instagram.
What happens when you pin a post on Instagram?
Whatever post you decide to pin will stay at the top of your Instagram profile indefinitely, until, as previously mentioned, you change it for another pinned post, or you remove the pinned post. It's almost like an extension of your bio, and your way of saying, "Hello, I think you're going to like this content right here." You can pin posts that are years old if you wanted to. It's actually a clever little way to send traffic back to older posts, ensuring that people see stuff that they would have otherwise missed.
Do you have to pin a post on Instagram?
No, of course not. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do on Instagram. If you want to boost your engagement, followers, or any other Instagram metrics, however, it's a wise idea to start using pinned posts on Instagram. First of all, Instagram loves it when you use the new features. Do you remember when Reels first came out and everyone had views that went through the roof? Instagram will appreciate you using the feature. When you're good to Instagram, Instagram is good to you. Apparently. Secondly, pinned content is a fantastic way for you to make sure that new potential followers and customers see your best work. Whatever it is, and why ever you think it is your best work, pin it to your profile and be proud of it. Anyone who lands on your profile will be able to see it, right beneath your bio. Why wouldn't you want people to see your best work first?
How many pinned posts can you have on Instagram?
At this stage, Instagram says you can pin 3 posts to the top of your profile. This makes sense, because it covers the entire top line of the grid. You have 3 opportunities to show off your best work, so make sure you fill the spaces with the best performing, brightest, cleverest, or funniest content.
What can you pin to your Instagram profile?
Let's see what we can pin. This is a single in-feed post. Can I pin it to my profile? Yes, I can. This one here is a reel. Let's see if we can pin a reel to my profile. Yes, I can do that too. This is a video in feed post, and Instagram tells me, with a little note, that I can pin it to my profile. So, yes, I can pin in feed video posts to my profile too.
What will the pinned posts look like?
I've just pinned 3 posts so I can show you exactly what it looks like. As you can see, the grid looks pretty much exactly the same as it did before, but now it has those 3 pinned posts on the top row.
How will I know if Instagram posts are pinned posts?
This little symbol right here, which looks like a pin, gives the game away. That tells you whether or not the post has been pinned.
What order will Instagram pinned posts show up?
If you pin 3 posts, the first one you pin will appear here. The second one will appear here. And the third one will appear here. The last post or reel you pin will show up first on your profile grid. You will want to bear that in mind when actually pinning them. You may want to plan it for a minute or 2 beforehand.
Can you get rid of or change pinned posts on Instagram?
Yes, you absolutely can. You can unpin it, which is the exact same process as pinning it, but in reverse. You hit the 3 dots, and then select Unpin from your profile. Before I end this video, I'd just like to say, if you have any questions about pinning posts on Instagram, or about anything to do with Instagram, please reach out and let me know. I'd love to help you out with the answers, and I'm always looking for inspiration on what videos to make next. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.